So this particular practical class is gonna be how you can design your ebook cover or book cover. So before anything can be done, you have to ensure that you've designed the template of your ebook cover. Once that is done, you can then import everything alongside the book cover. So instances, let me see if I can get one beautiful background from my phone here. I'm going to look for a beautiful background that I can use. You don't necessarily want to use background too, but I just want to use the background. So let me pick this. So the first thing I have to do is I must have downloaded the properties of what I want to use. So take for instance, yeah, I use this or this, but let me check if I still have any other ones here. If I don't, definitely I'm gonna be using that one over there. Okay, we're done. So let me give it a try for this. So let me leave it that way. I can eventually change background color later. There is another application differently I use for background in order to ensure this appears in PNG format. Alright, so I'll click on this same plus sign. Pixellab. So I'll come down here, perspective. And doing this, you just have to be very careful. You can see I needed to zoom this one so that I can see it properly. You see I've activated it. So I haven't done that. Now we got another one. So this particular one here must have been designed before now. This rather must have been designed before now. You just have to take his or her time to do this. So copy this and crop. This will get us your choice job. Okay, let me just do something. It's not likely going to work. Anyways. Let me put background. Let me make the background white. So the white top, you need to make it to be red. This book is a book I've written already, and I'm not going to organize a workshop because of this book. I was in a business summit, and the inspiration came. The truth is this: when you graduated from the higher institution, you are trying to look for what to do, job. Every job has its own criteria. Let me put it that way. Even a father wants to leave his company for a child that has experience. So it's vice versa. Organizations want to hire someone that has experience. So as a fresh graduate, how did you, or when are you going to get this needed of numbers of years of experience? So this is a secret that this book contains. So it's very practical to take people through the secret of gaining experience as an undergraduate. I could easily say I have 5 years, no, I have over 3 years of experience in my profession as an undergraduate. So you just have to take your time, arrange it. So relative size. So come back to perspective. So I can just leave it like this. So so I can just merge everything. It looks good enough. Like this now, it's not going to move anymore. So once I'm through with this, I can use another application to change the background of this particular work here. Or if eventually I don't want to change the background, I could look for a color. So I'll just have to delete this. But then look for a color that aligns with this background color. So you can able and just manipulate the color like that, and so that's just how you can design your book cover. But remember, the graphics must have been done separately. You can then bring this together. So let me save it. Maybe we should just view it from our gallery and see how it looks like. I didn't take this to the back. If I take this to the back, it would not show that one. But then that is just how you can easily design your book cover. Thank you.